everybody. This is Fred Quinones from qtheexperts at eXp Realty. Did you know there's a growing trend of Floridians who are leaving the state and moving to other places? There's a lot of reasons for this particular trend. Some of them we'll go over in a brief moment. Some of these reasons are, the cost of living. We're seeing that rent prices are increasing to the point in which they're becoming more than mortgage payments, which would cause us to tell you as realtors it would be a better solution for you to purchase a home and pay into your own future and in your own investments than paying rent to somebody else's future and investments. But rent is getting to the point in which, it's becoming quite costly to consider renting if purchasing is not the option for you at the moment. So people are considering making a change and moving to other states that rent and the cost of living is less. Also, in the last couple of years, with the boom in the real estate economy and lower interest rates causing people with COVID to move to paradise, which is here, Florida, right? We have found that, the price in Tampa Bay area especially, prices have gone up significantly. And they're holding pretty steady. There is a little bit of settling in the price, but what's most important with this topic of conversation is that prices have gotten to such a degree that, most people are finding it a little bit more difficult to purchase a property because prices have gone up so dramatically over the last couple of years. And we don't expect prices to significantly go down like in other parts of the country. Now, when you say that and you couple it with the fact that in the last couple of years we had historic low interest rates, which increased buyers' capabilities of purchasing a home, increased their purchasing power. Now that interest rates are settling back and are around the 6 to 7% interest rate, which before pre-pandemic times was fairly common, people have lost a little bit of their purchasing power, and now with the increase in prices of homes and the demand for those homes, it's made it a bit more difficult for people to be able to afford these homes at a higher price, at a higher interest rate, because the mortgage payments are a slight bit higher than what most Floridians are commonly used to before the pandemic, when prices of homes were a little bit lower. So what does that mean for many people? What we do notice is that wages in Florida are not incrementally going up with that cost of living for the prices of houses and rent prices. And if you couple that with the fact that, Florida does have a circumstance where insurance companies are getting a little bit more tighter with their insurance. Many of you might have seen, if you're homeowners, that, insurance companies are coming back and checking the age of your roof, doing some extra investigative work, and some of you might have seen an increase in your insurance just in general, and notice stating that they're increasing your rates. So if you had all these major increases in the cost of living to most Floridians, and then you couple the fact that most wages aren't going up in accordance with these increased costs of living, you start to see that many people, not everybody, but many people are starting to feel the pressure, the press. And we're hearing that in a lot of conversations with individuals when we speak to people all the time about real estate. So what we're noticing, and we've actually helped a significant number of clients this year, is that many of them are considering whether Florida itself, even though they love it, is truly the best investment for them in the long term. So what we're seeing is many people are considering taking the equity that they have built into their homes, because the prices of houses have gone up so much, and they're able to take the equity, which could be $100,000, $200,000, $300,000 or more, and taking that equity and going to another state and being able to purchase a home either in cash or be able to, finance a small amount with a price of a house that is lower and wages that are more comparable to the market that they're buying in. So if that is a real circumstance that you're considering, understand that me, Fred Quinones, and Nicole Quinones have remedies for you. Not only can we help maybe potentially with a great cash offer where we have investors or cash buyers who can purchase a property at a great price, hassle-free for less than 7 days, or you can get top dollar, put your house on the market with our assistance and our guidance and the proper marketing program that we'll have set forth for you, cater to your particular property, get you top dollar and get you that equity that you need. But then also we have a network of realtors throughout the entire country, in every state and even other countries across the globe, that when you're ready to go and seek and do the fun stuff of finding the new home that you're looking for in that other state, whether it could be South Carolina, North Carolina, Georgia, Tennessee, Alabama, you name it, we'll be able to vet you a great, experienced, well-known realtor by ourselves. And it's better that you know the realtor that you're being referred to versus just picking up the phone and speaking to somebody who might be a friend of yours or might not have the talent and experience such as Nicole and I might have. So if you're ever thinking about making that transition, even if you don't have a home that you need to sell but you just want to purchase, please know that we empathize, we understand, and that we can be a service to you even if we're not here helping you purchase and sell a home in Florida. Once again, we have a network of realtors throughout the entire country that can help you with that. But since we've noticed that there are more and more Floridians who are considering making a change and moving to different states, we want to make sure that we get this message out to ensure that you are making the right choice by speaking to us and letting us help you vet yourself the right realtor to help you in that other state. And if you do need to sell anything here, that we can help you get top dollar so that you can make that transition just as smooth for yourself once you pick the place you want to live, right? So until then, I hope to hear from you soon. You can reach us at 727-291-1710. So if we don't talk to you soon, we'll talk to you when you need some help. Have a great day. Bye.